Hi, good evening. How are you, ma'am?
I've been doing great, Ashutosh. Thank you so much for asking. What about you? How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. Thank you so much for asking me too. As we are meeting for the first time, so I would like to know something about yourself. So please, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm so glad. And now I would introduce. So I am Liza. I belong to India, Kashmir part of India. I've been teaching English as a second language for the past 2 years, both in classroom settings and online. And currently, I'm working as a trainer on Engvarta. And this all from my side. Now you can introduce.
Okay, that's great to know about you. Now, when it comes to me, my name is Ashutosh Dwivedi. I'm speaking to you from Kanpur. And about my education, I have pursued my degree, that is BCom Honors Accounting from Banaras Hindu University. Now I'm pursuing my master's, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. And by profession, I am spoken English trainer. I conduct sessions for my students. So that's all about myself. Thank you so much.
So, how long have you been conducting your sessions?
It's been 2 years. I have been conducting sessions for my students for 2 years.
Oh my God, that's really awesome. I appreciate you for your work.
Oh, thank you. So now moving forward in this conversation, so we are here to talk about Ingvata as I heard about this application. So I heard that this is a very nice application for the people who would like to become better in their communication skills. So I would like to know the first question that why should anybody join Ingvata? What do you think? Why?
Yes, great question. That actually is great question. Now, talking about why should one join Envarta? For that, I would say I've been working there as a trainer for so long. I worked on different platforms. For something I've experienced on Envarta is completely different from that of other platforms. So I would say Envarta focuses on everything, right? So the question is, why should one join? So for that, I would say, why shouldn't one join in Varta? Because it provides you everything you need, every facility you need, it provides you. And that actually counts in your privacy, your safety, your identity. And one of the most important points is your reputation. And you may have heard Ingvarta is known for its reputation, right? And that was the reason that actually forced me to join that team. So for that, taking all the things in front of a user, I would suggest that people join Ingvarta.
Oh, that's great to hear about this application. I feel, of course, everybody should join who would like to become better in their communication. So now moving forward with another question that how it works, because the people who would like to join, they are curious to know that how it works.
Mhm. Exactly. For that, Ashutosh, you need to know Invarta focuses on your comfort and discomfort. So now talking about comfort and discomfort, for example, I believe that English is not all about meetings. You are here in front of your speaker or in front of your expert. You are in meetings, you enter the meeting, and you believe that you may improve. But that must be your personal choice. I actually believe that, and it's a research as well. If you are in your comfort zone, you are enjoying what you're doing right now, you will learn quickly. And Ingvarta focuses on that. It's not like you have to schedule a meeting right now, or it's not like you have to book a session. It's not like you have to fix any kind of timing. No. If you feel comfortable anytime, anywhere, you can just call your expert and you can talk to them, right? Now, talking about timing, maybe after your dinner, or in the morning, or in the mid afternoon, or maybe you are in your office and in between you're getting a 10-minute break, or a 15-minute break, or a 30-minute break. So, in that break, you are comfortable, you can talk to your experts, right? So, the point is, it focuses on your comfort zone. And second point, when you get connected to someone, we would not ask you about your introduction. We would not ask you your name, what actually your name is, where do you go for, or where do you come for, where you belong, what do you do, your problems, nothing at all. As an expert, I would I would make you feel comfortable. I would welcome you there, and I would ask you about your day. How was your day? How did you enjoy? And then we actually start talking. So that was your comfort. Now talking about discomfort, you know, Ingvarta actually drags you out of your comfort zone so that to build your confidence. Right now, for that, you need to know Ingvarta connects you with different experts. It's not like you'll talk to me only or I'll talk to you only. No, you have to get out of that comfort zone and you have to talk to everyone around you. Right. So, for example, right now you are comfortable with me and you can talk to me because maybe I am a lovable person or I can make you feel comfortable. You are comfortable, right? But when you are outside, maybe you're not able to speak. You got the point. So for that,
Mhm.
Invarta connects you with different experts so that you'll get to know, okay, I can talk to now everyone. So this is how Invarta works.
Yeah, it's wonderful that we can get a chance to talk with multiple tutors. And without
Exactly.
scheduling the meeting, whenever we are free, we can do it. So it's wonderful. So now I want to ask you the question related to the one of the features of Ingvarta. That is, I heard about a tool that is assignment preparation tool. So can you tell me something about this?
Yes, assignment preparation tool. Invarta has launched this feature before. So as per this assignment preparation tool, when you call me or you call any of the experts, they'll assign you an assignment. So when you are back home, you have to think about that assignment. You'll collect some point, you'll develop some ideas, maybe you'll just collect your vocabulary and whatever you're going to speak, you'll collect that in front of you. Now, the next time when you get connected to any of the experts, you'll talk on that topic, right? So now this way we are preparing you to speak on some topics, right? And after that assignment, we are giving you a random topic. So first is assignment. Here you are prepared, but on the random talks, you're not prepared. You got the point? So
Mhm.
we actually focus on your improvement. We're motivating you to speak on a particular topic as well as on random topics. So this is how we are giving you an assignment preparation tool.
Oh, that's great. It means anybody can be good in prepared speech as well, that they will get a topic to prepare on it and impromptu as well. So instantly you will give a topic and they will have to speak. So it is good for them. So they will be able
Yes.
to face interview and they will be able to answer questions. So that's great.
Hmm.
So now another feature which is really good, because I think it is very important for someone to work on their vocabulary if they would like to see themselves as a good communicator. So another just feature is like vocabulary series. So can you elaborate about it?
Yes, vocabulary series. I've talked to many students so before, and then I think the common problem they've been sharing is that they're not getting the right words. They're not getting that one. They want to speak, but maybe they lack words. They're not able to express themselves. Now, Invarta has done some research and they have launched the future and the future vocabulary series. You are able to click on that option and it will direct you to some videos. You can watch the video and they will actually tell you how to pronounce the word and where to use the word. So you can use that word in your dictionary or you can use that word in your assignments or you can use that word in daily uses. So this is how we are preparing you for building your vocabulary, building your concepts, or on random topics, and that too behind the curtains, right? So you're not able, or we're not forcing you to show your face. Maybe you're lying down on your bed and you're sleeping, so you can talk anywhere. So this is how we are working for you.
Okay, that's great. Now moving forward with the final question that most of the learners they would like to know whenever they are trying to join any platform, they want to know that how long does it take to become fluent, and if they are taking session on Ingvarta, that how long will it take for them to be fluent?
Okay. This is the most commonly asked question people do ask me. This question, a lot many times, they would come to me and say, how much time, how much time? So for that, I would say it actually depends. It really depends. So it depends on your efforts. Right now I am giving you much things, I would say many things, right? So for that, you have to give me your efforts, you have to give me your dedication, you have to give me your time as well. It's not like you're here talking on Ingvarta and when you're back home you're not doing anything, right? It may take time if you're not doing anything back home. But yeah, if you're so dedicated, you are so passionate, you are giving me your time, you're giving me your efforts, maybe it takes less time. right? So I would not say there is some timing for that, or there is some period for that, but I would say it totally depends. How would you practice, and how would you treat me? How would I treat you? And this is all we go.
Yes, of course. I couldn't agree more with you. You are absolutely right. It depends on a person to person. It depends on their efforts if they are able to do practice after the session. So if they are practicing like 2 hours, 3 hours, so they'll be able to become fluent in less period of time. But if anybody is only based on sessions which they are doing with the expert, then it will take more time for them to become fluent, what I feel.
Exactly, exactly. So are you looking forward to joining this platform?
Yeah, of course. I would love to. As I told you, I'm conducting sessions for my students. So I would love to suggest them if they would like to join and if they are finding a platform where they can feel comfortable talking with experts, I will just suggest them to join this platform for sure.
Voice for them. I would, and I'm so thankful for this discussion. I really enjoyed the talks. I really enjoyed the moment. Thank you really so much. I must say you are a great speaker.
Oh, thank you so much. Many, many thanks to you. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.